related to this chapter. Okay, so adjectives and tenses have been covered. Now we can easily start with the first chapter. The first chapter has a grammar topic which we have done very well, and that is passé composé. Okay, of sentences in passé composé in this chapter, the first chapter of your textbook. Let's go ahead. Here, this is the name of the chapter. Au camp de vacances en Normandie. Au camp de vacances en Normandie means at the vacation camp in Normandy. Normandy is a place in France. Okay, Normandy, they call it as a region. Now if we have to speak in our language, we will call it as state. हम लोग state बुलाते हैं, वो लोग अपनी भाषा में इसको region बुलाते हैं. Région. Normandy is a région. Okay, so at the vacation camp in Normandy. Let's go ahead. Now look at the map and tell me, where do you see Normandy? In the chat, let me know. Are you able to locate Normandy? Give me the direction: east, west, north, south. Idhar hai. Very good, Jay. Yes, Isha has given the perfect answer. It is in the northwest. She is given the perfect directions. Okay, so if you see cursor, and I will also highlight it, here is Normandy in the northwest of France. Okay, so you may get this as a question. Où se trouve Normandy? Où se trouve Normandy means where is Normandy located? Okay, everyone, is my voice clear? Let me know in the chat. Yes, okay. Palak, it could be connectivity issue from your end, or you try reconnecting your audio. Disconnect and connect your audio once. You too, Ved, try, because I think others have put yes in the chat. Disconnect your audio and connect it once again. Yeah. Okay, so let's continue. The name of the chapter, at the vacation camp in Normandy. We are discussing Normandy is exactly in the northwest of France. As you have told me in the chat, it is in the northwest of France. Now look at this region carefully and see it is divided into two parts. One is the pink colored one and the other one is the blue colored one. It is the same region, but it is divided into two parts. Why is that so? Let's see. Okay, so नॉर्मैन दोनों भी नॉर्मैंडी है. सी ओ नॉर्मैंडी, बा नॉर्मैंडी, ओ नॉर्मैंडी, बास नॉर्मैंडी. That is because the region is divided into two parts for the administrative. Okay, Normandy. Haute Normandy means higher Normandy. Basse Normandy means the lower Normandy. So it's divided into two parts, Upper Normandy and the Lower Normandy. Upper Normandy, Haute Normandy, is basically industrial in nature. Haute Normandy, I repeat, is industrial in nature. Whereas Basse Normandy is more of agricultural in nature. Okay, so you see the difference now. Look at this region once again. Both these regions have different capitals. Okay, the capital has been given in the map. Look at it and tell me, what is the capital of Haute Normandy in the chat? Very good, Rouen. So the capital of Haute Normandy is Rouen. And now tell me, what is the capital of Basse Normandy? Caen. Exactly. Very good. So you have to also remember the capital of Haute Normandy and Basse Normandy. You may get a question, where is located or Then the answer will be both of these places are located in Normandy towards the northwest of France. All right, let's go ahead. Here I have highlighted Normandy once again. Okay, so I repeat the location of Normandy. Normandy se trouve au nord-est de la France. Okay, Normandy se trouve au nord-ouest de France. Okay, is everyone facing the same issue? Am I clear? Am I audible enough? In the chat, others let me know. Okay, I will connect and disconnect and connect my audio once again then. Now am I audible? Yes. Okay. So Normandy is in the northwest of France. How do we write that in French? Normandy se trouve au nord-ouest de la France. Then, Normandy is famous for these things that are given below. Before we go ahead with that, we should know how exactly this region is. Okay. So, if they ask, you can describe this region by saying that Normandy is a place which has colorful landscape, and this place is filled with flowers and cows. Okay, flowers and cows. Once again, Normandy is a colorful landscape full of flowers and cows. Okay, it is famous for its beaches. Now we can name one or two beaches. There is Ottawa Beach, Gold Beach, Sword Beach. All of these beaches are located in Normandy. Then the next one that Normandy is famous for is Saint Michel Abbey. Saint Michel Abbey is again in the northwest of France. This is the much visited monument on the borders of Brittany and Normandy. So if you look at the map, okay, look at the map here. This is Normandy in pink and blue. Towards the left hand side in peach color, that is Britannia. So in the borders of Normandy and Britannia, Saint Michel is located. Okay, it is like a church which is built on a rock. Okay, then Giverny. Giverny is again the location that is best known for Claude Monet's house and garden. Okay, Claude Monet, who is he, and so on, we will discuss while we are doing the chapter. So remember, Giverny is best known as the location of Claude Monet's garden and house. Giverny is located in Upper Normandy. Upper Normandy मतलब Haute Normandy, blue color वाला region, okay, जिसका capital Rouen है. Claude Monet is yes, I got the answer in the chat. He is a famous French painter of 19th century. Now, Giverny is a place, it's a village which he had noticed while he was looking out of the window from a train. ट्रेन के बाहर से उसको ये रीजन, इसको ये विलेज दिखा. He made up his mind to move there and then he rented a house. Okay, he loved the place so much that he went there and he rented the place. Then finally in 1890 he had enough money to buy the house. जैसे ही पैसे आया, he bought the house. Then one of his famous paintings is that of his Giverny garden. His garden is located in the same place. Okay, as I said, Giverny is best known as the location of Claude's garden and house. This house then became a popular tourist attraction, especially in summer, because that is the time when flowers are blooming. Okay, so now we know why exactly this place is a touristic attraction. Then we have Guy de Maupassant. Okay, so do not get confused between the two personalities. Claude Monet is a painter, whereas Guy de Maupassant, yes, he is a French writer, a famous French writer of 19th century. Very good. क्या बात है? Most of you have the answer in the chat. Have put the answer in the chat. Good to know you all are aware. He is very famous for his French short stories. Yes, absolutely correct, Vijay. I was looking for this answer. He is the author of the short story called The Necklace. तुम लोग ने ये इंग्लिश में पढ़ा होगा. Okay, The Necklace in French is called as La Parure. La Parure. It is given in the civilization of this chapter. We will do it. All right. Then we have Crêpe. So I repeat the two personalities once again. Monet is the famous French. Let me know in the chat. Monet का क्या है? Famous French painter. Yes, absolutely correct. He is a famous French painter. And Maupassant is a famous French writer. Very good, very good. Then comes crepes. Okay, crepes खाने का चीज है, कैमेम्बर खाने का चीज है, सीद्र पीने का चीज है. खाने पीने का चीज अपना फेवरेट. Let's learn about them. Okay, so crepe is a speciality of Britannia. Okay, Britannia again is the neighbor of Normandy. Normandy के बाजू में है. See, check out my cursor. यहाँ पे नॉर्मंडी है, यहाँ पे ब्रिटानिया है. तो ब्रिटानिया का स्पेशलिटी क्या है? क्रेप. ओके, ब्रिटानिया का स्पेशलिटी क्रेप. As Srushti has rightly put up in the chat, crepe is nothing but pancake. Okay, it looks like our dosa. Then we have camembert. Okay, camembert and cidre are the specialities of Normandy. So they can ask, name the two specialities of Normandy. The two specialities of Normandy are camembert and cidre. Yes, absolutely correct. Camembert is a type of a cheese. Okay, is a type of the cheese. And cidre, oh my god, you all already know. Okay, so cidre is a drink that is made up of which fruit? Let me, oh, answer is already in the chat. Cidre is a drink that is made up of apple juice. Absolutely correct. So it is an alcoholic drink that is made of apple juice through a process called fermentation. ये science में सीखा होगा fermentation. Then this cider is usually unfiltered, thick, and often heated and spiced with cinnamon before drinking. Anyway, that is just extra information. Coming to camembert, it's a type of a cheese, and it was made from raw milk in Normandy, from the Normandian cows, around 1971. It is of pale yellow color. Okay, pale yellow color. The picture is given in the text. While we are doing the chapter, you will come across the picture of camembert. All right. So is everything clear so far? What is Normandy famous for? How does it look? It has a beautiful, colorful landscape. Landscape मतलब scenery. अच्छा सा scenery है. It is full of flowers and cows. Yes, Vijay, you can put your doubt in the chat. Vijay, can you hear me? Okay, by the time he types his doubt in the chat, let's proceed. Okay, now that we have done some, we have gathered some information about Normandy. Okay, Vijay and Aditya, please put the doubt in the chat. Yeah, that is because it is divided into two parts, no? So that is to show the distinction. Okay, Vijay, in the map, there is the border between higher and lower Normandy to show the distinction. Yes, Aditya, that could be because of rain. All right. So go ahead with questions. Où se trouve Normandy? Okay, now very important thing over here is se trouver and trouver ka differentiation. Se trouver means where is it located, where is it situated. अगर खाली trouver होता तो find है उसका meaning. Okay, to find, trouver is to find, but se trouver is location. Okay, that is a difference. You can note down in your book. Se trouver is the location, to be located or situated. Trouver is to find. Now in the question you see se trouver, it means they are asking about Normandy's location. Palak has already put the answer in the chat and I display it over here. La Normandie se trouve au nord-est de la France. Normandy is located in the northwest of France. As we have seen in the map, if you have textbook in front, you can check. Okay, it has been highlighted in blue color in your textbook, page number 1. Yes, so trouver is a reflexive verb, Atharva. Screen visible? Yes. Okay. So because it's raining, internet connectivity is a little low. Keep me updated in the chat if you miss out anything. Okay. I start with the second question. I assume first question was clear enough. If you want me to repeat the first question, let me know in the chat. First or second? First. In the chat, put 1 or 2. Let me know. Second. Okay. Okay. So the second question is, pourquoi la Normandie est une destination favorite des vacanciers? Why is Normandy a favorite destination of vacation goers? Okay, vacation पे जाने वाले लोगों का ये Normandy favorite location क्यों है? The answer, if you see in the answer, first few words have been copied from the textbook. क्यों ऐसा है? सिंपल, जब भी क्वेश्चन वाई से स्टार्ट होता है आंसर में बिकॉज आएगा. ओके, पुरक्वा जब भी क्वेश्चन में है आंसर में पार्स का आएगा. पार्स का इज नथिंग बट बिकॉज. वाई पूछा तो रीजन देने के लिए बिकॉज बोलना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट. सो before because, before Pasca, all of these words have been copied exactly from the question. La Normandie est une destination favorite des vacanciers parce que, है ना? So vacancier tak everything has been copied from the question. Normandy is a favorite destination of vacation goers because तक हम लोग सेम टू सेम कॉपी कर रहे हैं. ओके, पुरक्वा के जगह पे सिर्फ बिकॉज लिखा. देन द रीजन इज योर ऑन द स्क्रीन. पास्का सेट रेजियन. रेजियन CETTE लिखा है बिकॉज इट इज फेमिनिन. यू कैन मेक अ नोट. Region is feminine. That is why we have written CETTE. Okay, what is CETTE called? Which topic is this? What is the heading called? Yes, you are correct, Shivani. CETTE means this. Yes, absolutely correct. This is called as demonstrative adjective. So because here we are pointing out that this region, this matlab kaun sa? Normandy. Okay, so Normandy is a favorite destination of vacation goers because this region offers everything. ओके एवरीथिंग में क्या क्या आता है? इट ऑफर्स हिस्ट्री, गैस्ट्रोनॉमी एंड कल्चर. हिस्ट्री कैसे? वी हैव 19th सेंचुरी का पेंटर लिविंग देयर, है ना? पेंटर 19th सेंचुरी का पेंटर लिव देयर. दैट इज अ टूरिस्टिक स्पॉट. देन फूड कैसे? वी नो देर आर टू फूड आइटम्स फेमस ओवर हियर, सीद्र एंड कैमेम्बर. And culture, because once again we have Claude Monet and his garden and house. This region is known for its beauty, so that's how culture is included. Clear? I repeat the answer. Normandie est une destination favorite des vacanciers parce que cette région offre tout. This region offers everything. Then you put a colon and you explain everything ke under. There are three main pointers. They are the l'histoire, de la gastronomie, de la culture. The l'histoire, L apostrophe, vowels clash हो रहा है. Okay, and rest of them are the la क्योंकि gastronomy and culture are feminine. Gastronomy is nothing but a word related to food. Okay, anything that's related to food you can write it down as gastronomy. In English also this word is the same, gastronomy. Isha, you can always go back to the recording and note it down if you need anything. Okay, next question. ऊ से थ्रू काइन. ओके रिमेंबर मैंने बताया था दिस इज द कैपिटल ऑफ विच वन, लोअर और हायर नॉर्मंदी? काइन इज द कैपिटल ऑफ, yes, so we know it's the capital of lower Normandy. So of course we can say Caen is located in Normandy because it's the capital of lower Normandy, तो obviously वो Normandy में ही location होगा उसका. Then you can just add en Normandy, en France. Okay, in Normandy, in France. If you want, you can add the extension. If not, this much will be sufficient. Caen is located in Normandy is the region. We write en before it. Before every region, in fact, we write en. You can make a note of it. The preposition used before every region is en. Preposition used before every region is en. Okay, shall we continue? Everything clear so far? Yes. Okay, next question. Who is Claude Monet? Let me know in the chat. ये हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया था. Yeah, absolutely correct. But French now. So let's see how do we put this in French. Claude Monet est un célèbre peintre. Peintre मतलब पेंटर. Okay. Be very careful. Célèbre का accents देखो, एक left एक right, एक accent acute, एक accent grave. Okay, so put the accents correctly. If you change the accent, the meaning changes. So Claude Monet is a famous French painter of 19th century. 19e siècle मतलब 19th century. A famous French painter of 19th century. Similarly, Guy de Maupassant का आंसर भी सेम टू सेम रहेगा. ओके हम लोग सिर्फ लेट मी नो इन द चैट. पेंटर हटा के क्या लिखेंगे? Writer. Okay. Anyone, what is writer in French? Yes, we can, Shivani. Okay. Purva, I will come back to the third one again. Okay. Since you've missed it, I'll come back to that. Let me just finish this first. So the word for writer is écrivain. Yeah, Vijay, you are right. Only the spelling there is a typo. So Guy de Maupassant est un célèbre écrivain français du 19e siècle. अगर ऊपर फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ आंसर कंपेयर करोगे, you will see it is same to same. The only difference is the profession. क्लॉड मोने को पैंत्र लिखा, गीदो मोपासों को एक्रीवा लिखा। तो एक आंसर पढ़ा तो तुम्हारा दूसरा आंसर भी परफेक्टली लर्न हो जाएगा. All you need to do is just change one word. Okay. Last question of this slide. Se trouve la maison et le jardin de Claude Monet. Where is the house and the garden of Claude Monet located? Yes, correct Isha, very good. खाली spelling थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे हो गया letters. Okay, so you can write it as la maison et le jardin de Claude Monet se trouve. बी केयरफुल, शत्रु को TROUVENT लिखा है. दैट इज बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टू थिंग्स नाउ, हाउस एज वेल एज गार्डन, है ना, इसीलिए शत्रु एल्स में गया है, TROUVENT. So the answer states the house and the garden of Claude Monet are located at Giverny in Normandy. ये पूरा ऐसे ही लिखने का, à Giverny en Normandie, GIVERNY. ओके, ये स्पेलिंग अच्छे से लर्न करो, à Giverny en Normandie. The other important thing here is to write the correct preposition. Giverny के लिए एग्राफ, नॉर्मांडी के लिए en. À Giverny en Normandie. Is it clear? Everything so far? Okay. Somebody had requested me to repeat third one. Third one of which one? Okay, let me check in the chat. Third one. Okay. Where is Caen located? Caen is in the lower Normandy. Remember, it is the capital of Basse Normandy. So Caen is located in Normandy. Since Normandy is a region, the preposition used is en. Okay. So the one who asked this question, Purva, am I clear now? Am I clear? Yes. Okay. While we are discussing feminine, we will do that. Okay, Atharva? Let's not confuse others with additional words. Okay, Jai wants fifth one. Jai Guy de Maupassant est un célèbre écrivain français du 19e siècle. He is a famous French writer of 19th century. Jai, am I clear now? Fourth and fifth, you see, it's the same. The answer is same. Only change the profession. Monet आया तो पैंत्र लिखो, Maupassant आया तो écrivain लिखो. All the 6 questions are in front. Go through them. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the chat. No, Plisha. Maupassant, writer. Monet, painter. Are the 6 questions clear to you? Yes, Vijay says he's giving green signal. Others? Done. Okay. Now that you are saying you have understood this, I'm going to ask questions. Okay. In the chat, let me know, what do you mean by histoire? Here, my cursor, check the cursor if you don't know where it is. Histoire, what do you mean by histoire? In the chat, yes, Palak, Isha, correct, absolutely correct, Konda, very good, Lisha, good. Okay. Then, what do you mean by siècle? Look at the cursor, siècle. Very good, very good. You all are alert. Siècle, century, perfect. Acha. What is the word for house in French? House. Maison, perfect. Garden, it's there in the answers, huh? Look for it in the answers. Yes, thank you, Vijay. Very good, Palak. Ayush, good, good. Okay, so since you say you've understood, let's go ahead. Now, Nice is in Normandy. The 2 cities are Caen and Giverny. Okay, Caen, the capital of Lower Normandy, and Giverny, the place where you have house and garden of Claude Monet. Yes, absolutely correct, Shivani. So Caen and Giverny saw the wheel on Normandy, two cities in Normandy. What are the gastronomical specialities of Normandy, everyone? We discussed this. Two famous food items of Normandy. Yes, very good, Rashi. Very, very good, Palak, Shivani, Vijay. Very good. Okay. So remember to put these food items along with article.
Hello, ma'am. Your voice is not audible. Students, kindly wait. We have some technical issue. So kindly hold on.
Yes. Now am I audible? Yes. Okay. Sneha says yes. Yes. Okay. So, somebody asked, are these only the two cities in Normandy? Okay, there are other cities. I think that question was put up by Isha. So of course, yes, there are other cities, but these are the two cities that are very often used in the chapter. They have talked about Giverny, they have talked about Caen. That is why we are using these two cities in the answer. Okay, Isha. So it is always good to stick to the textbook and write the same answers. Whichever words textbook uses, we have to use the same. All right. Quelles sont les spécialités gastronomiques de la Normandie? Yes, Jai, you can write. But since Caen and Giverny are very frequently used in the textbook, I have used those two. Okay. It's better to stick to the textual words. Let's get back. The specialities of the food specialities of Normandy, they are Le Camembert, Le Cidre. Yes, we discussed this. Then there are two regions in the north of France. North फ्रांस के नॉर्थ में हमने दो रीजन डिस्कस किया व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड. मैंने दो रीजन्स बताया था. सबसे पहले तो वही जिसका चैप्टर हम पढ़ रहे हैं. यस, नॉर्मंदी. एंड नॉर्मंदी का नेबर रिमेंबर जिसका फेमस है स्क्रैप. Isha, no. Normandy, both Normandy and Bar Normandy is one and the same region. Yes, it's Britannia. Okay, Britannia. जिसका famous crepe है बाजू बाजू में था. Remember, they are neighbors. So the two famous regions, the two regions in the north of France are La Normandie and La Bretagne. There is a error in the spelling. I will correct it. La Normandie, La Bretagne. Yeah, there it is. I have corrected it. La Normandie, La Bretagne. Okay. Remember, I had told the word region is feminine because Normandy and Bretagne are regions. We have La before them. Okay. La Normandie, La Bretagne. Because region is feminine, we have used la before each of this. Let's go ahead. Which is the most famous cheese? French cheese. Which is the most famous French cheese? Yes. Remember to put articles, okay, everyone? Le camembert. यहाँ पे the construction, the sentence construction is quite simpler, okay? कैसे कैल को हटा के सिर्फ le camembert लिखा, बाकी सब क्वेश्चन में से कॉपी किया. देखो, the formation is quite easy. कैल वाले क्वेश्चंस में you can drop कैल, put the answer there and continue with the question. Okay? Yeah, let's go ahead. These 7 to 10 questions, are they clear? I think this is like very very simple. सब answers short है and बहुत easy है. Shall we proceed? Okay. Last 3 questions. Now, which are the months of summer vacation in India and in France? Okay. So let's see which are. Jay, you want to see the last slide? Okay. Yes, Jay. You can ask what happened. Jay, shall I proceed? Please do not sit to copy, okay? Because you can go back to recordings and check. You can note down the answers in the recording later on. Okay. The last 3 questions. Which are the summer vacation months in India and in France? Yeah. Answer is in India, they are May and June. Okay. Let's keep it simple. Let's not write with June and all. May and June likhte hain. Now, May and June are the months. Remember, months are written in small letters in French. बहुत important है, याद रखना. Months are to be written in small letters. Also remember, before the month the preposition is en. Just like regions के लिए हम en use करते हैं, वैसे ही months, name of the month के लिए हम en use करेंगे. Okay, May and June are the names of the month. That is why en May, en juin. And vacations in summer vacations in France are juillet and août. En juillet et en août. Remember, août has a circumflex accent है, याद रखो. So summer vacations India में May June and in France July and August. May June in India, July and August in France. Next one. Qu'est-ce que vous aimez faire pendant les vacances? Nommez 2 activités. Okay. Now look at the question carefully. There are 2 verbs back to back. Aimer and faire. है ना, 2 एकदम बाजू बाजू में verbs लिखे हैं. When you have 2 verbs back to back, 2 back to back verb अगर हुआ तो first verb conjugate करने का, second verb को वैसे का वैसे छोड़ने का. Okay? Infinitive form में, original form में छोड़ देने का, conjugate नहीं करने का simple words में. So what do you like to do during vacations? Name 2 activities. Activity पूछा है तो please do not write sleeping. Okay? So let's see. I like, again 2 back to back verbs. I like to play. Aimer and jouer back to back verbs है ना. I like to play and to read the novels during the vacations. Because aimer and jouer are back to back. First verb conjugate हुआ, second verb conjugate नहीं हुआ. J'aime jouer au cricket. I like to play cricket and read the novels. Les romans. Romans मतलब novels during the vacations. Yes, you can write j'aime nager et jouer as well. Vijay. Okay, the answer can be modified depending on your choices and preferences. But when you are changing the answer, make sure you write it perfectly. Then there should not be any error. Otherwise, you will simply lose marks. Last question now for this chapter. Which is the Indian city that you would like to visit? Which Indian city do you like to visit and why? Okay, do you wish to visit? Why? So here we have Je veux visiter Goa. Okay, always make plans, but they work or sometimes they don't. especially Goa plans, they always get cancelled. So, je veux visiter Goa. I want to or I wish to visit Goa because the beaches at Goa are very beautiful and there are also beautiful churches. Eglise is church. Okay. Palak, we can use this over here. All right. So I want to visit Goa because the beaches at Goa, les plages मतलब beach. The beaches at Goa are very beautiful. So आपने because करके reason दे दिया already. If you do not want to write another reason, it's quite okay. Ilya Ossi the Belle Église. There are also beautiful churches. वो part अगर delete करना है, then it's completely fine. आपने एक reason already दिया that the beaches are beautiful. Isha, yes, you can mention a specific novel, but there is no need to complicate the answer, ना? इतना सारा फ्रेंच में लिखने को आएगा तुमको? That is why I have kept the answers short and precise to make it simpler for you. All right. 3 questions on the screen. I display it for a while. If you have any doubt, please go ahead and type it in the chat. Eglise is feminine, है ना? इसीलिए बेल यूज किया, नहीं तो वो यूज करते. आयुष, आयुष, if you write 2 sports, फिर भी activity एक ही हुआ ना? Activity is playing here, so you need to write another activity along with playing. Roma is novel. Palak, Roma is novel. Cooking is cuisine. I'll put that in the chat. Okay, let me give a simple suggestion here. I'll put the answer first, cuisine in the chat. Okay, for those who are asking, ma'am, can we write this, can we write that, but हमको अगर वो vocab नहीं पता है तो हमको क्यों लिखना है वो? Let's stick to the vocab that we know, है ना? Of course you can there could be multiple answers, but अगर हमको वो vocab नहीं आता है तो करने का आंसर को, let's stick to simple verbs that we know, 4 marks. That is called as smart work, है ना? Rather than giving the correct answers. पर मुझे नॉवल रीड करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, so what, you can still write I like to read novels. कौन पूछने वाला है सच्ची में you like or don't like, है ना? So just stick to the answers and that's it. Marks लिख रहे हम, okay? So it's okay if you are just writing anything, even if you don't like to play cricket. Of course some of the girls may say I don't like to play cricket, so we can still mention it. All right, there is no harm. We are writing only to score. If you want to change the activity, then be very sure of the activity that you are mentioning. It should be error free. If you write those words correctly, I will still give marks. Okay, it should be error free. That's it. Any doubt so far? Cuisine is to cook. Okay, so now it's my turn to ask questions. Okay, what is vacances in the chat? Let me know. Yes, remember vacances in French is always with S. Huh? It is always written with S. Vacances with S. Then what is ville? Ville? City. Home nahi Isha. Home is maison. City ville. Okay. Then what is the word for beach? Beach. Plage. Very good. What about church? Église. Very good. Okay. Then what is the word for during? D-U-R-I-N-G. Very good, Ved. Very good, Isha, Srishti, Vijay. Perfect. Qu'est-ce que vous aimez faire pendant les vacances? What do you like to do during the vacations? During, pendant. Very good. Okay. Let's go ahead. We have covered the 16 questions and it seems you have very well understood. Now let's see. Mots-clés. You see that in the blue box? Les mots-clés. This is book number 1. Okay. The chapter is divided into 4 parts. You see, La Normandie बीच में है and there are 4 arrows. It's divided into gastronomy, le vacances, le paysage and les personnages. 4 parts. Gastronomy हमने discuss किया. It's related to food. So the famous food items of Normandy are le camembert, le cidre. We discussed this already. Coming to personage. Personage means the personalities or the famous people there. They are Monet and Maupassant. Monet का पूरा नाम Claude Monet. Maupassant, Guy de Maupassant. Okay, Guy de Maupassant. Okay, let me connect and disconnect the audio once again. Yeah, once again, I have connected to the audio. Is it now clear? Yes, okay. So we will discuss, the chapter is divided into 4 parts: gastronomy, personnage, le paysage, and le vacances. Coming to each of them, gastronomy, food items. We discussed this region is famous for 2 food items. Yes, mots-clés matlab keywords. Correct, Vijay? So the keywords are gastronomy, food items. The 2 famous food items here are camembert and cidre. Then in the personage section, you have 2 famous personalities, Monet and Maupassant. Claude Monet, the painter. Maupassant, Guy de Maupassant, the writer. Paysage. Paysage matlab scenery, background. Okay. So, or you can even call it as countryside. It has 3 main words here. The paysage section has 3 words: les vaches, les plages, and the fields full of flowers. Remember, we had described this place, this region has colorful landscape. Colorful landscape matlab it is full of flowers, there are cows, and there are lots of beaches. If you remember, I had named some of them: Futaha Beach, Gold Beach. All right, you don't need to remember the names of the beach, but you have to remember the word for beach, les plages. Cow is vache, and les champs de fleurs means the flowers that are the field of flowers, the field that are full of flowers. Then finally we have le camp de vacances, okay, which means vacation camp. Vacation camp mein there are 3 words related to vacation camp. First one, les jeunes. Jeunes matlab the youngsters. Camp de jeunesse. Camp de jeunesse is the youth camp. And lastly we have a feu de camp, which means campfire. Okay, so these are the important words related to each of these sections, 4 sections: gastronomy, vacation camp, landscape, and personalities. Is this clear? Are the keywords clear? Meaning of mots-clés is keywords. Keywords. I don't know. In Hindi, maybe you say Vishesh Shabd. I don't know. Keywords, important words. Yeah. Clear now, Isha? Shall we go ahead? Okay. We will start with the chapter then. We've already done a lot, okay, about the Normandy. Now in the chapter, when you are reading all of this, it will be easier for you to relate to everything that we have covered so far. Firstly, it says Karan e Rucha Sont Party. कौन सा टेंस है Sont Party? Let me know in the chat. Passe compose. Very good, Shivani, Vijay, perfect. Great, very good. So you know now why it is important to learn passe compose before you start the chapter. Partir, if you remember, it comes in the advent list. Arrive partir, है ना? Partir opposite की list में आता है. That is why it is conjugated with एत्र. Another important thing, partir क्योंकि एत्र के साथ जाता है, agreement हुआ है. Karan and Rucha, ils. सब्जेक्ट इज हुआ ना करण एंड रूचा, इसलिए पार्थी को एस लगाया. अग्रीमेंट. यस विजय, करेक्ट. ओके, सो करण एंड रूचा हैव लेफ्ट. व्हाई हैव दे लेफ्ट? टू डू ट्रेकिंग. पेर यून रांधोनी इज टू डू ट्रेकिंग. करण एंड रूचा हैव लेफ्ट टू डू ट्रेकिंग इन अ यूथ कैंप. इज द इंट्रो क्लियर? करण एंड रूचा तो हमको पता ही है. व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन देम? इन द चैट लेट मी नो. मालूम है ना, 8 से पढ़ रहे हम करण रूचा के बारे में. यस, इट्स ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर, सिबलिंग्स. ओके, भाई बहन. सो करण एंड रूचा हैव लेफ्ट टू डू ट्रेकिंग इन अ यूथ कैंप. ला मतलब उधर, देयर. मतलब किधर? इन द यूथ कैंप. ओके, सो आई विल राइट द ऑपोजिट ऑफ ला इन द चैट. ला का ऑपोजिट इज ईसी. I have put it in the chat. Please note down. You can make a separate section for opposites and make a list of opposites. It will be helpful for your second test, the test which will come up. Second unit test of Adhyayan or school or whatsoever. La का opposite इसी. La मतलब there, इसी मतलब here. उधर, इधर. La there, इसी here. I'll put it once again. इसी, I-C-I. Palak, now did you get it? Yes, okay. So la is given in the textbook. Look at the cursor. Here it is. Uska opposite is in the chat. There, opposite here. La, opposite ici. There, opposite here. Ils ont rencontré d'autres jeunes. There, they met other youngsters. Again, passé composé. They met. Action ho gaya, complete. They met other youngsters. Okay, of course, they are going for camp and they are doing trekking. They won't be all alone. They meet the other youngsters over there. Then it's evening time. In the evening, around the campfire, you can see in the picture it's evening time. They are all sitting around the campfire. बीच में campfire दिख रहा होगा. So like that, in the evening, they are all sitting around the campfire. They are chatting and they are having fun with their new friends. Bavarde. Bavarde is to chat. So in the evening, around the campfire, they chatted and they had fun with their new friends. Okay, pay attention. Nouveau. Nouveau comes in the Bragg's list. It comes in the list of 13 Grand, Petit, Bon, Beau, Joli, Jeune, Vieux, Mauvais, Méchant, Long, Gros, oh, Nouveau. है ना? It comes in the list of 13 adjectives. That is why it is placed before the noun. Nouveaux amis. New friends. Before the noun. Okay? Another important thing to note here, lure. Lure यहाँ पे use हुआ है. Which topic is this? Lure, L-E-U-R-S. In the chat, let me know. Possessive, yes. Okay. Bavarder and rigoler are ER verbs. All right. Bavarder, B-A-V-A-R-D-E-R. Rigoler, R-I-G-O-L-E-R. Rigoler is to have fun or even to laugh. Okay. Bavarde is to chat, rigole is to laugh, to have fun, to enjoy. Okay, everything clear so far? Is the intro clear? Yes. So to sum up, we can say Karan and Pooja have left to do trekking in a youth camp. And in the youth camp, they met other youngsters. Then it was evening time. They all sat around the campfire. They chatted and had fun with their new friends. Okay, let's go ahead. Karan says, "Quel beau paysage! What a beautiful landscape!" Landscape matlab scenery. Okay. In case you don't know what landscape, scenery. So Karan says, what a beautiful landscape, what a beautiful scenery. J'ai envie de. Avoir envie de is equal to vouloir. I have put that in the chat. You can note down. Avoir envie de is to wish, to want. Okay, so if you want to replace avoir envie de, you can use vouloir. I want to, I wish to. Avoir envie de is equal to vouloir. Please note it down. Yeah, so they say I want to explore other regions also. Okay, other regions मतलब नॉर्मंदी छोड़ के बाकी regions भी मुझे explore करना है. Who is saying this? Karan. Julia, tu viens d'où? Where do you come from, Julia? And then Julia answers, I live far from here at Caen. हमने Caen के बारे में पढ़ा. Do you remember the location of Caen? Yes. Where is it? Put the location in the chat. Lower Normandy. Very good. Absolutely correct. So now we know Julia lives far from here in Caen, Bas Normandy. Okay. Loin de. Loin de means far from. So what is the opposite then? Yes. Far from, nearby. I have put that in the chat. Okay, let me put it once again. Loin de is not equal to. फ्रेंच में हम लोग क्रॉस नहीं डालते, नॉट इक्वल टू डालते हैं, बट एज ऑफ नाउ क्रॉस से काम चला लो. ओके. loin de, près de. près de, नॉट après de. après मतलब आफ्टरवर्ड्स होता है ईशा. près मतलब नियर. ओके, après ए नहीं आएगा. So loin de is far from, près de is nearby. You can note down the opposites. We have noted two so far. Ici and là, près de and loin de. Okay, what is the opposite of venir? Let me know in the chat. Yes, ये भी लिस्ट में डाल दो. venir opposite डाले. Yes, venir to come, aller to go. So let's get back to the dialogue. Karan says, what a beautiful landscape. अभी वो landscape को beautiful क्यों बोल रहा है? If you remember, I had told Normandy is a beautiful place with colorful fields of flowers and cows, है ना? That is why he says that it's a beautiful land. There are flowers everywhere, there are cows everywhere. And because this is so beautiful, he says, now I also wish to visit other regions. Then he is asking Julia, where do you live? Julia says, I live far from here. Where exactly? I live at Caen, in the lower Normandy. Bucha says, ah oui, Caen, c'est en Normandy, n'est-ce pas? Caen is in Normandy, isn't it? Remember, we had written Caen in the answers. Because we have talked about Caen over here, we had written Caen in the answers. Now you get it? Basically using textual words in the answers. Caen, that is why here is the answer. Where is Caen located? Say on Normandy. It is in Normandy. Okay, very important thing now. N'est-ce pas? N'est-ce pas is a question tag. In fact, n'est-ce pas is the only question tag in French. Okay, there are no other question tags in French. जैसे इंग्लिश में बहुत सारे question tags होते हैं. Aren't you? Isn't it? Aren't they? Doesn't it? And so on. बहुत सारे हैं. But in French, you have only one, which is n'est-ce pas. Another important thing to note about n'est-ce pas is, yes, shouldn't it? There are a lot. The list goes on. But in French, you have just one question tag, which is n'est-ce pas. N'est-ce pas, यहाँ पे most important thing to note is, n'est-ce pas neither changes in feminine nor in plural. तो n'est-ce pas का plural ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. Ne, sans, pas नहीं हो सकता. N'est-ce pas remains n'est-ce pas. It will not change in plural, it will not change in feminine. Okay, note it down. Nespa neither changes in feminine nor in plural. Nespa means isn't it. Okay, what's the opposite of we? Let me know in the chat. Yeah. Yes, Vijay, it is used everywhere. Whenever you need a question tag, we just add this. Correct. Very good. Isha, weak opposite no. A we opposite a no. So we opposite no. I hope you are making the list of opposites. एक separate section रखो opposites का. सब chapters का opposites उधर ही जाना चाहिए. That way it's easier for you to refer to the opposites list. Now, next one, let's continue. Sara says, yes, this region offers everything. It offers history, gastronomy, culture. That is why this region is a favorite destination of vacation goers. याद आया हमने ये starting में किया. So this is where the question is taken from. Why is Normandy the favorite destination of vacation goers? Because this region offers everything: history, gastronomy, culture. And now you can relate to all of this. Mucha says la culture como ça? Culture कैसे? Julia says la célèbre peintre Claude Monet, famous painter Claude Monet, has spent a good part of his life here. That's how culture is inclusive. Famous painter Claude Monet has spent a good part of his life here. Here मतलब किधर? In Normandy. Exactly किधर Normandy में? Giverny में. Okay. Sa maison et son jardin magnifique à Giverny attire beaucoup de touristes, which means his house and his magnificent garden. His magnificent house and his garden at Giverny attract a lot of tourists. Okay, I've connected and disconnected again to my audio. Can you hear me now? Yes, okay. So here they say the famous painter Claude Monet. Why? How is culture inclusive? How does this region offer culture? That's because the famous painter Claude Monet has spent a good part of his life here. Okay. His famous or magnificent house and garden at Giverny, they attract a lot of tourists. What is the opposite of Bonn? Bonne. Yes. Okay. Now since the question is bonne, feminine, तो answer भी always with e होना चाहिए. Very important. हाँ, ये याद रखना. अगर खाली bon होता तो हम MAUVAIS लिखते. Question masculine तो answer masculine. Question feminine तो answer feminine. ये match होना चाहिए. अच्छे से याद रखो. Okay. Everything clear so far? On this page, is there anything that you have not understood? Go through it. Okay. Now then, let me ask. What do you mean by pourquoi? What do you mean by pourquoi? Why? Very good. And every time there is pourquoi in the question, what do you write in the answer? Parce que. Very good. जब भी why आएगा question में, तभी because लिखने का answer में. Okay. Then, which are the two cities mentioned on this page? Name the two cities of Normandy. कौन सा दो cities ये page पे mention किया हुआ है? Exactly. Now, why we wrote Giverny and Caen. These are the two cities mentioned here. है ना, Isha? Yes, Caen and Giverny. Okay. What is the word for famous? Célèbre. Remember, célèbre has two different accents. एक acute, एक grave. ये याद रखना important है. What is the word for magnificent? It's okay, Isha. Accent I can understand. Very good. Magnifique, magnificent. Which word, rather which phrase, which expression on this page means वुलुवार? कौन सा expression को हटा के हम वुलुवार लिख सकते हैं? Very good. Very, very good. Our only the is equal to वुलुवार. Okay. Now one more thing to note. I'll put that in the chat. Favori is masculine. And favorite is feminine. See, la destination favorite. क्योंकि ला डेस्टिनेशन है इसीलिए फेवरेट दिया है. अगर ल डेस्टिनेशन अगर मैस्कुलिन होता तो हम फेवरी लिखते. So note down, favori is the masculine form, favorite is the feminine form of favorite. Note it down. Okay. What is the name of painter mentioned here on this page? Claude Monet. Very good. Very good. Then, what is the word for vacancier? What do you mean by vacancier? Here it is. I'm keeping my cursor here. No, vacancier is not vacation. Vacancier is not tourist. Vacation goer. Vacation पे जाने वाले. Vacation maker नहीं. Vacation goer. GOER. Okay. No, not tourists. Vacation goers. Okay. Atharva says, can you please repeat the rule about NESPA? Okay. NESPA means isn't it. NESPA means isn't it. NESPA is the only question tag in French. एक ही question tag है अपने को. Simple है French की life. They use just one question tag. NESPA. NESPA can neither be converted into feminine nor in plural. वो same to same रहेगा. अगर NESPA sentence में आया या श्रवण थोड़ा सा complicated है because it has apostrophe, hyphen, pronunciation different है. But once you get a hang of it, it will be easier. You will remember it. Somebody has asked, can you repeat that line in English? That line मतलब कौन सा line शिवानी? C'est pourquoi la Normandie? Okay. That is why Normandy is a favorite destination of vacation goers. C'est pourquoi. That is why. Okay. C'est pourquoi means that is why. All right. One more thing to note. ये सब नोट करो हाँ, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Offer is to offer. Okay. Offer to. If you look at the verb, I have put it in the chat. Look in the chat. Offer is to offer. Now this